stop scrolling for a second, because if you're selling on Etsy or online and your listings don't have video, you're probably losing clicks and don't even realize it. Most people think the problem is their product, but a lot of the time it's actually the presentation. If your listings look like everyone else's with the same static images and no movement, people scroll right past them. The problem is creating product videos usually feels expensive, time consuming, or complicated. But what if you could create professional looking listing videos, mock-ups, and product visuals in minutes without filming anything? In this video, I'm going to show you how Kittl makes that possible and how you can use it to create listings that actually stands out. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's turn designs into dollars. That's where Kittl comes in. Instead of needing multiple tools, editing skills, or time to film content, Kittl gives you an all-in-one workflow where you can create product visuals, mock-ups, and animated listing videos using ready-made templates and AI-powered tools. So instead of spending hours creating content from scratch, you can design once, turn it into a video, and reuse it across your listings and marketing content. And later in this video, I'll even show you one of Kittl's Etsy templates and how quickly you can turn it into a full listing pack. Let me show you how easy this actually is. Okay, so now I'm on the homepage of Kittl and I'm about to make a t-shirt. I'm so excited because I'm going to use a template. Now, I usually create with Kittl from scratch, but this time I'm using a template. I put Vegas, so I'm looking for something about Las Vegas. I've always wanted to be there, so this will remind, I want old school Las Vegas. And I like the one that says Lucky Life Las Vegas. All right, Nevada, USA. Now, I'm going to change this template to fit more of my style, of my brand, my channel. And I'm going to put hustle. Okay. And look at the $ for S. Okay. Just like Inside Your Hustle. All right. So I love the colors. I'm keeping the colors. I'm just changing the words to fit my brand. And I'm going to size it and fit it in. Hustle now. Look how beautiful it looks, and it fits perfectly, and it still gives that old style look. Shine later. So you can do this with a template anywhere, USA, okay? So it still got that Las Vegas look, but yet I personalized it, which is awesome. Throw a little shine to it, a little glimmer, because we're talking about shine later. Hustle now, shine later. Do a little shine to it, okay? It's all custom, and I'm going to put this on a shirt, and I'm actually going to be selling these shirts, by the way, okay? All right, hit me up if you want one of these shirts on my Instagram page, okay? So now I'm moving I move it over to the second board, right? And I took out the placeholder. Now, look how beautiful it looks. Look how it looks on a shirt hanging up on a rod, on a curtain rod. I love it. Now, we're going to take it up a notch. So now I'm going to put a prompt in. And before I could do that, I'm going to use the prompt builder. Kittl has a prompt builder, and it's going to make life so much easier for me. The perspective is going to be worm's eye view. Okay, so you can get a view from the top down. Okay, so now if I put these prompts in, this is how the video is going to look. Okay, I'm actually turning an image into a video. I love it. They got so many different prompts. Point of view, you can turn it from the back and get the shirt from the back, but we're going to do worm's eye view. Okay, just put your prompts in and Kittl will turn it into a whole video, okay, with AI. Now, with special effects, I'm going to use the retro, okay? The retro film, give it that old school Las Vegas look. We're talking about, like, you know, Frank Sinatra style, okay? I'm giving the color, it's going to be natural. I'm going to give it a street vibe, okay? So that's the environment. We're going Sammy Davis Jr., Dean Martin style Las Vegas, right? And we're also going to do the golden hour, okay? The lighting. We're giving that little 5 o'clock shadow, that little shadow in the picture, okay? Look at the gentleman. We picked him. He's going to be in the park walking. We asked for the environment to be like on the street. So now we're going to turn this into a video. Wow. from that one image, we made it into a video. Is that awesome? Now I can sell this shirt. I can show it. Okay. Now I can show how it's going to look on the body. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I see they have templates already, mock-ups that's already moving. So I picked a young lady by like a cafe. She's like in by a fruit stand, and she's sitting, and I'm putting in look at this. Now watch. She's going to get up and wear the shirt. They have mock-ups already. All I do is put my shirt on her. Look how real this looks. Look how real she gets up. She's like at a farmer's market with the plants, and she's rocking my shirt. That's how you sell your merch. People want to see it on, and that's how you do it. People want to see how it moves, how it looks on them, because they can visualize it on somebody else. They can know how it's going to look on them. That's how you sell your shirts. All right, so now we're using a different template. We're going to try an Etsy, listing. Look on the right-hand side. You see the one with the clothespin? We're going to be using that template, okay? The Etsy one, because we're going to be putting stuff on Etsy as well. So first thing I'm going to do is the Once Upon a Time. I'm removing that, and I'm putting my logo on. I'm putting this new shirt design on, okay? Hustle now, shine later. And it's like a storyboard, okay? It's a t-shirt mock-up, and it's connected. So whatever I put on one, it's connected, and it's from that design, it's going onto a t-shirt. All from this storyboard, okay? It's so awesome. Now it's generating different things. It's generating AI videos. It's going to have the shirt move. It's not going to just be a still image. It's going to be movement. I'm going to be showing close-ups. This is so awesome. These are mock-ups you can put on your Instagram page, your Pinterest account, anything, anywhere you're selling, you need to be using this. Okay, now look at this. It gives you a color chart. It gives you a size chart. Now, you know when you selling merch, you know you need a size chart and a color chart, because people be asking for that. Okay, what size is the shirt? Does it run small? Listen, that. This is how you do it. And you have some different mock-ups, and we can look also a review, a verified customer review. That's so awesome to pop your outfit, your shirt, whatever you're selling, pop it in there with an actual verified customer review. Okay, so that Once Upon a Time, you see how it's on a clothespin, new product drop. Everyone is always doing that, right? New product drop, get you all excited about the merch. This is a great way to do it. You put that on for your Instagram posts, your Pinterest posts, okay? Get people excited about what you're about to sell. And this is how you do it with Kittl. I'm going to change that shirt into our shirt where it says hustle now, shine later, okay? So now watch how I do this. Okay, we're changing it. Now look how the shirt is moving. Look at this. And this is all from prompts, okay? It's like a storyboard. You just use the templates. And whatever that template is doing, your shirt is going to be doing the same exact thing what that template was doing. So it's very easy. You don't have to think about it. You don't have to be a designer. You don't have to be, look at this. You don't have to be a graphic designer. This is so simple to do. New product drop. Now my shirt is in it. Look, new product drop. And she's showing it. She's lifting it up. Okay. And she's like, yeah, this is the new product of the day. This is the product. So that's all you have to do. You have to pop in your item, your shirt, your template, and your merch into that template, and it will recreate whatever that template was doing with your merch. So it's very simple. It's very easy. Anybody can do it. It's very beginner friendly. So now I was even able to do this. Okay. And like less than 5 minutes. So it's very easy to figure out. And I'm telling you, what I like about Kittl, it kind of walks you through what to do. You see something like, oh, I want my shirt to be moving like that. I want this to be doing like this. Then just take out that shirt that's in the template and pop in your shirt so it can start doing the exact same thing it was doing in the template. Very easy. So if your Etsy listings are starting to look like everyone else's, don't do that. I definitely recommend trying this out for yourself. You can use my code CC to get 25% off any Kittl plan. Whether you go monthly, yearly, use my code. Come on now. Stop looking boring. Step your game up, okay? It's a one-time use per user. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your listings, this is honestly the perfect time to do it. Come on. make your pictures come to life. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, share, hype this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll start designing with Kittl. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.